Today is October the 27th, 2010. Time is 9:25 a.m. I'm going to go see what's happened after the rain. Yes, this is the... Whoa! I can barely walk on my driveway. It's so muddy and slippery. Well, this isn't very nice. This is not very nice at all. Doesn't look like DRNA did anything here when it came to preventing this erosion. We have a real problem on our hands here. Let's take a walk down the driveway. Nice. Cumulative erosion on my side. I've been trying to save this mountainside here, but the ignorance of a few people are causing me a lot of trouble. This is not supposed to be a creek right here. This was never intended to be a creek. This is... As a matter of fact, this piece of ground was stolen from me shortly after I bought the property. As you can see, it runs down my side. Crosses the road here because of a cocoa. And we're back in the mud. And here's our garbage can. And it continues down the road. Now the creek is to the left, but this is all going down the middle of the road. It's eroding out the road too. And you notice the color, coffee colored, because of the lack of preventative measures to prevent the soil from eroding. And it's just pouring down the mountain as far as I can walk. Rather incredible. This is